Inside this facility, billions of euros are produced every year.
And this is just the beginning of the process.
Now the real process begins. Precision ink brings each euro note to life. Different denominations move together in perfect harmony. Every sheet is aligned with microscopic precision. Different denominations printed together with absolute precision. From sheets to real money in seconds.
These euro notes are stored in secure facilities until they are needed by banks and financial institutions.
These euro notes are transported under strict security as they travel across regions to reach financial institutions.
At the distribution center, these euro notes are carefully unloaded and prepared for allocation.
Each denomination is handled with perfect consistency. Each denomination is handled with perfect consistency.
Euro notes combine artistic detail with advanced precision.
Sheets are collected with flawless precision. Every detail is preserved with extreme accuracy. Different denominations move together in perfect harmony.
These euro notes are now carefully bundled to maintain accuracy and security before final verification.
Every bundle of euro notes is weighed precisely to ensure that no note is missing or extra.
To protect these euro notes from damage, each bundle is sealed with a secure protective layer. Each bundle of euro notes is labeled with detailed information for tracking and security throughout distribution.
From the factory, these euro notes are delivered to secure distribution centers for further handling.
Each shipment of euro notes is secured inside armored transport vehicles to ensure complete safety during transit.
These euro notes cartons are stacked carefully to ensure safe storage and easy transportation.
To ensure stability, these euro notes pallets are tightly wrapped before leaving the facility. Each carton of euro notes is securely sealed to prevent tampering during transportation.
Before dispatch, every shipment of euro notes is carefully inspected and verified for accuracy. These euro notes are now ready to be distributed across Europe, completing their journey from raw material to finished currency.
Once loaded, these euro notes are sealed and protected with advanced security systems before leaving the facility.
Once loaded, these euro notes are sealed and protected with advanced security systems before leaving the facility.